Welcome to Roswell Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles and a good deal. Features also include iPod adapter, leather seats, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with 2012 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, off-road package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.